Unong ilam kalyang persya yang dapat tahu angkat jelau Dr. Mukul sang mau loong badai tanglang ba kejikan lang baro artili ki sarkar kabala man Pynbeit ya kejing ya kejaput ulong ruba Donkam kejing ya telang jong ki pelukat parti na Assam pan penkut no ikti kam kejaput ki bakta awat ya kasuk kesan jong ki pai ba basa ha kiti ki jaka susu ulong ruban penne pensa ya kasuk kesan Donkam ba ki arjela ki dei ban pentikna ban om don su ki buan sa thamai bat kejing ora kam penroi dei ban le da kejing tip lang baro ar sarkar.
The responsibility of both the state governments are to be responsive to the situation and ultimately engage in bilateral discussion, deliberation to ultimately find solution. It may be difficult to find immediate solution, but then that engagement must be there and refresh what has been agreed upon in the past. And I want to remind everybody that it is precisely because of that clear stand taken by our state of Meghalaya and the counterpart Assam that we have maintained peace and we have not created a situation where there were perceived to be confrontational. When any of the counterpart takes up any developmental program at the level of the district authorities, they should inform the counterpart before taking up those initiatives or before starting any developmental work. They have to just mutually inform and tell them what are those initiatives in the best interest of the people in the areas of difference. That has been agreed upon. Now, until that whole areas of difference related issue is not resolved, neither Assam nor Meghalaya obviously can say that, okay, now it belongs to us, because we say that it's an area of difference. But even though that situation exists, pending solution, we must ensure that people in those areas don't suffer. And this commitment has been mutual and mutually accepted and have been in place in the preceding years. I want that both the state governments revisit that past and ensure that there's an environment created conducive for the overall progress and prosperity of people residing in those areas of difference. Find an amicable, acceptable, mutually acceptable solution, and they want to insist that it should be mutually done bilaterally. So we wanted, okay, let us proceed there. We hope that they have completed the whole examination of all those documents that we have submitted. Now it's time for them to come and ensure that both the governments sit together and then find the best way to ultimately find a lasting solution.